Hey everyone, and welcome back to Solly Tutorials. Today, we're tackling a common problem: grainy, low-quality videos. But fear not, because I'm here to show you how to easily convert those videos to stunning 1280p Full HD or even 4K, all with the power of AI and the amazing Video Proc Converter AI software. To begin, head over to the official website of Video Proc Converter AI. You can find the link in the description below. Once there, simply click on the free download button and proceed to download the software. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. To install it, right-click on the file and choose the Open option. Then click on Run. Next, agree to the user license agreement and initiate the installation by clicking on the Install button. Once the installation process is finished, launch the program by clicking on the Launch button. Upon launching, you'll be greeted with the Video Proc Converter AI interface. Navigate to the hardware options and select Process Video with Hardware Acceleration. This will open a smaller window where you can choose the tool that suits your needs. Among these tools, you'll find options such as Super Resolution, Frame Interpolation, Stabilization, Video Conversion, DVD, Downloading, and Recording tools. For this demonstration, let's select the Super Resolution tool as I intend to enhance a low-quality video to Full HD. After selecting Super Resolution, the Video Proc Converter AI interface will open up. The first step is to import your video or image from your computer. Simply click on the Import button, select your low-quality video, and then click Open. Below the resolution preview screen, you'll find a button to preview the video. Clicking on it allows you to play and pause the video, while the playhead lets you navigate through it. You'll notice two trim points at the start and end of the playhead, allowing you to trim your video as needed. Moving on to the timeline, you'll find the Add Video button at the bottom left. Clicking on it enables you to import and add more videos from your computer. Now, let's proceed with applying Super Resolution in Video Proc Converter AI for our low-quality video. First, we need to configure the GPU settings on our computer. Select your respective GPU, then choose the desired resolution type. You'll typically find options like Reality and Anime. In this case, let's stick with Reality. Leave the denoise level set to low by default. Adjust the scale settings in Model Settings. Options typically include 2x, 3x, and 4x enhancements. For this demonstration, let's select the 2x option. Moving forward, if your footage requires the use of the high-quality engine image only, be sure to check that option. Additionally, you have the choice to enable or disable deinterlacing according to your preferences. For this demonstration, I'll keep the deinterlacing option turned off, as it suits the nature of my video. Now, let's proceed with configuring the output settings for the video. This step is quite straightforward. I'll opt for H.264 as the video codec and choose pass-through for the audio codec. You have the flexibility to adjust the quality level to your preference, but I'll stick with the default high-quality setting. I'll leave the GOP at 30. Finally, the last setting we need to configure is selecting the output folder for the video. Simply choose a destination folder of your choice on your computer for the video output. Then, to initiate the video export process, click the Run button located at the bottom right corner of the software interface. As the video begins to export, please be patient as this process may take some time depending on the length and resolution of our video. Once the export is complete, the exported video will automatically open in the designated output folder. Let's take a moment to review the final preview of the exported video. And there you have it. With Video Proc Converter AI, you can take your low-quality videos and transform them into crisp, high-resolution masterpieces in just a few clicks. But wait, there's more. Video Proc Converter AI has a limited-time Easter sale. Grab a single lifetime license for just $29.95, 62% off. Or a multi-license for $39.95, 66% off. To install on up to 5 devices. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Solly Tutorials for more tech tutorials. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, take care.